Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make QuickBooks Online look like desktop. First, understand that while the interface differs, many core functionalities are similar. We'll explore how to adjust your settings and layout to create a more familiar environment. This involves leveraging customization features to bring the online experience closer to what you're used to with the desktop version, enhancing your workflow. To start, personalize your dashboard. You can rearrange widgets to display the information most crucial to your business, just like a customized desktop home screen. Next, focus on the left navigation bar. This is your primary tool for quick access to different sections. Pin your most used reports and transaction types here for one-click navigation, saving you valuable time. When it comes to reports, QuickBooks Online allows extensive customization. You can modify columns, filters, and layouts to match your preferred desktop report views. For transaction entry, leverage recurring transaction templates to automate repetitive tasks, much like memorized transactions in desktop. Also, explore available keyboard shortcuts. They can significantly speed up your data input process, making it feel more efficient. Finally, dive into the advanced settings. Here, you can adjust various preferences to further align QuickBooks Online with your desktop workflow. For a visual similarity, consider using a larger monitor. This provides more screen real estate, mimicking the spaciousness of desktop applications. Always keep an eye on new updates and features, as they often introduce enhancements that can further optimize your experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.